You will be missed. What's going on, guys? We're back to you with a new video. Unfortunately, the Q has run into some problems. I Stitch here with me today. He has to pick me up from work because my shit is down.
For me, American never go out of
American muscle.
Yeah. So unfortunately, like in the last video, I told you guys I was running really lean. Unfortunately, it's not the only problem that was happening. Now my car is running super lean, and it's causing the car to jerk while I'm driving, even though I'm not even pressing the accelerator. So I'm leaving it here at my job parked up, and I'm probably going to be calling a tow tomorrow to be brought to Chi. But yeah, I have all these car parts, thousands of dollars worth of car parts in the back, just waiting to be installed. And I low-key don't want to turn the car on right now just because I'm scared of what's going to happen. But let's see what happens when I turn it on.
Oh God.
Yeah, oh God. Yeah, right. When I was checking out the codes that were coming up, it's also now telling me that my fuel rail sensor is going out. So that might be causing it to be even worse than what it was before. So right now it's not idling that bad, but when I was driving to work this afternoon, AFRs were from 17 to 20. Like, it was terrible. My car was literally on the brink of stalling. So we're gonna be towing this tomorrow. I'm gonna hopefully get a video of that to Chi, and then hopefully by Tuesday or Wednesday I'll be pulling up to Chi, introducing you guys to him, and we'll be getting all these new parts and sensors put in, and everything will be good. And then next week's video is going to be even better than this week's, hopefully, because I just bought some really cool upgrades for the Q. I don't know what kind of video I'm going to be filming this week. Hopefully I'm going to be able to get something at least somewhat good out. And yeah, you guys just got to work with me, unfortunately. So yeah, see her tomorrow. Bye, Nani. Say bye to Nani. Bye. So I guess I'll be showing off Stitch's new V that he recently got. What is it, Stitch?
It's a CT4 V Series.
CT4 V Series Cadillac. I'm not gonna lie, it's a 2020, right? 2020 4-cylinder. This shit is fire. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys right now. Damn, I heard the turbo. Okay. I love the style of the front. This shit fire. Damn. Damn.
Get in there, my boy.
Get in there?
Yeah, turn it on. Let's
Turn it on. Let me see.
Yeah,
Damn.
you got so many keys.
You got too many cars. Damn, I'm gonna start it right now. Push the start too? Oh my God. That started it? That's it?
Yeah, it's because it was already.
Yo, I didn't even hear the engine turn on.
Yeah, because I remote started it before.
Oh, I almost got copyright. I had to turn over his radio. Alright, I could rev it? I could rev it?
Of course.
Let me see. Let me know if you guys hear it.
Put in sport. No,
Which way?
Click the mode.
Uh-huh. Click mode? Oh.
Sport, put in sport.
Okay. Wait.
Now rev it.
Wait, no, track.
Right,
Track is even better.
Rev it.
Alright, ready? Let me see if that makes a difference. Little bit.
Yeah, the turbo.
I heard.
That turbo, boy.
Damn. But yeah, he's gonna be driving me home because he's a real one. He be coming in clutch. Thank you, Stitch.
Anytime.
All right, we out here. Yo, you finished the lemonade, right?
Yeah, I tried.
Okay, good.
Sorry.
It was good though, right?
I like Chick-fil-A lemonade.
Yeah, it's good. It's really authentic.
Yeah, it is.
It's because it's from the South, that's why.
Tastes better in Texas though. We got the white version of it. No, I'm
You
being.
said we got the white version.
Like, no, the whack version.
Oh, the whack version?
Yeah.
I thought you said the white. I'm like, that's racist.
No, I wish we had the white version.
Yeah.
They make real.
Let me see some. No. It's yellow. Don't do it. No. There's too many cops around here, bro.
Let me show you what
What are you doing? Oh, you put the auto stop off? Oh, you're gonna launch? You hold it for too long, you're gonna burn your clutch.
Really?
Yeah, you're not supposed to hold it for too long.
Oh.
That's your clutch.
Oh, really?
Yeah, your clutch is like holding the power, like until you release it. So the longer you hold it, the worse it is.
Oh, yeah, I got you. Yes. 5,
Okay.
4, 3.
Like he's looking at it. Whoa, that was nice. I feel it. Wait, whoa.
Past this light.
There's people.
Then at the next one,
Damn.
turn left.
You crazy bitch. What the fuck?
83rd
I'm not trying to be part of a homicide. What is this? I didn't sign up for this. What the fuck? This man's Stitch, I swear to God. He's a fucking, I swear to God, bro. He makes me. Alright, bro. You gonna act up? You're gonna kill somebody.
Light.
I don't know.
Turn
You saw
left
that
onto
practice?
2nd Avenue.
Yo, you saw the people on the side? They were
Right.
shook.
They were sick, 100%. 100%. All of the
Yo.
All of the days, put that traction on.
Put the traction. You took traction off?
Just for the lawn.
You fucking menace.
You ready? We're gonna do a donut? Nah, man.
Yo.
Nah, it's not. I wish.
Damn.
Next time.
Nah, the tints came out really good though.
Right?
Yeah, they came out really good. Money well spent.
Thank you.
Where'd you get them done again?
Damn. I'm sorry.
They're irrelevant. It's not-
Nah, relevant is crazy. They're good. They're in Jerome or somewhere.
Oh, I forgot the I forgot the name. I went with you.
It's Spartan, no.
Bro, I should have been recording that day that I went with you.
You failed me, man. You failed me, man.
Shut the.
Nigga vlogger, I love it. No,
Yeah, I guess since I don't have my car, I gotta settle with this.
Saddle. She was smoking your V6.
Word.
Look at him. You think he's gonna beat me?
Or
Too?
nah, bro. Damn. You see that?
The destination is on your right.
I wish.
Insomnia Cookies.
Where's it at?
You dead ass getting insomnia
Alright.
cookies right now?
Yeah, where's it at, bro? Is it that right there?
Bro, I don't fucking know. There's a chip over there. I know that. I hate you, bro.
Let me see something. I'm back. Now, why he backing up while I'm back?
Oh nah.
Oh, nah. I need a...
Oh, nah.
I need to back up faster.
Hurry.
Hurry.
Is that it right there? No, that's 16 handles.
Okay, hold on.
I don't even know, bro.
First, hold on. It says it's right here, though. Mom.
Yo, you guys know where Insomnia Cookies is? Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. Bro, how far are you? You can't walk?
Where is it?
It's right there, bro. Ta-da! You know it's that time of year when you see the Christmas trees posted up on the side of the road. Oh my God. Alright. I'm gonna stay in the car if you want me to. Or I could come in with you. I don't know. Hey, yo. Gonna lie, that shit tough.
You need to get a car.
Only thing better than that would be the V8.
Of course, bro. That's supercharged. I would smoke everything.
Yeah, not me though.
You,
What?
the Skyray did you in.
Yo,
20 roll.
crazy.
Make sure, 20 roll.
Crazy.
That. Oh, we out of here, guys.
What?
They don't got ice cream.
Why? Oh wait, bro. Just because they have no ice cream sandwiches, you're not gonna get it?
I don't want just a fucking cookie.
Damn, bro. Just because they didn't have no ice cream sandwiches, he doesn't want no. You just spit on me? Oh, hell no. You said what now? Oh my God.
Let me see.
Back in the V.
Which one has ice cream, bro?
I don't know, bro.
Oh, this one looks like it has ice cream, right?
Yeah, I guess. You did not just fucking fart, bro.
Thank you for calling Insomnia Cookies.
I'm gonna
So please
fucking
listen
throw
carefully
up.
to the following
Yo, open this bitch up. Oh my God. Oh.
You lied now.
Nah.
It went away.
That shit disgusting.
You was
Smelled like something crawled up your ass and died, bro. We're driving home back to my crib, and we just saw a fucking beaver run for the cops. He was getting jiggy. He was getting out, and bro, all Stitch sees, he looks in his left mirror. he sees the beaver coming in hot. He's like, oh shit! He moves over, and the beaver just
had a plate cover and everything, bro.
Yeah, he had the plate cover on and everything.
He was not playing.
Nah, he made it on the highway though, so I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, we'll find out later on if he got caught or not.
That's kind of heavy traffic.
Yeah, that is kind of heavy.
So,
I don't know. We'll get back to you. I'm gonna play the video if he got caught. That's crazy.
And to take exit 9 onto West Fordham Road.
I think
toward
he
University
Mac.
Heights Bridge.
I think that BMW Mac that we were talking about.
Damn, it turned around.
Damn, yeah, I think he Mac'd up. What do you think?
I think he Mac too, right?
Damn, bro.
R.I.P.
Nah, that's crazy. It's like literally complete standstill right now. Yeah, everyone's fiending to get off the highway.
You saw the niggas go up the one way. You should have recorded
Yo,
that.
yeah, bro. They were literally going up a one way just to get off the highway. That's crazy.
Some of them were going on the grass too.
Yeah.
The next day.
All right, guys. Today's a sad day. The Q is being taken. There she goes. She's gonna be brought to Chi, and then I'll meet up with him on Wednesday to finish installing all the parts that I recently just purchased. Alright guys, so the Q is successfully picked up. Today is Monday. It is 7:34 p.m. and hopefully I get to my mechanic on Wednesday, like I said. And my boy Johnny with his Q60, he's gonna be pulling up with me hopefully. And I think he needs like an emblem install or something like that. So we'll see what happens. I brought Kato to work with me today.
They took the car already?
Yeah, they got it. What's up, puppy? All right.
He don't even want the tree. That's how scared he is.
Yeah,
Like,
he doesn't accept trees from people he doesn't really know. But yeah, Kato, you gotta stop stepping on my shoes, bro. Bye, Nani. I'll see you in a couple days. You will be missed.
Dude, are you crying?
No! Crying's for ladies like you!
No! Excuse me. Go, Kato, go. Go, Kato, go. Slow down. Alright, slow down. Oh, we made it. Later, Nani. This way. That footage is probably really shaky. There she goes. Damn. What's going on, guys? I'm back in the house. I'm exhausted. I'm about to call it a day. Hopefully, by the time you're seeing this video, I'm already working on the Q with Chi and working on the next video for next week, which I'm looking forward to. A lot of great content about it come out for you guys. And I'm gonna wish you guys a good night. Deuces. You're all done?
Okay, Mama's gonna take us a picture. Come on.
Yeah, take a picture.
Because I came walking around and I show you somewhere I did it.